Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another weekend vlog that starts on a Friday. This was post-work. The eggs were actually my lunch, and I went on a walk immediately after work because I worked from home. So then when I got home, I made some dinner. I ended up making a tin fish pasta, which I've been kind of a little bit obsessed with. I just cooked down some onion, garlic, and some serranos and jalapenos just to make it extra spicy. And then I used the Fish Wives, I think it's like Szechuan chili oil smoked salmon. And then I just put that together with some butter and then mixed in these fresh gluten-free fettuccine noodles, and then that's literally it. It's so bomb. And then I added grape tomatoes. I believe they're grape tomatoes to this. And then I added some pecorino romano, and that was pretty much it for my Friday. Then Saturday, I decided to go to a coffee shop and literally work on some stuff for my vlogs. Then I went home, got dressed, went to another coffee shop, did some work. But before that, I had some lunch. I had made ceviche, so I was having the leftovers with a beet juice. Then I decided to go for a walk again, as per usual, and I went into Noe Valley this day. It was super cute. Lots of hills, very unexpected, but I ended up doing the same walk this past week after that, just because I wanted to explore a little bit more. But I think in total, I ended up walking, I want to say somewhere in the realm of 7 or 8 miles this day. It was kind of crazy. Also, flowers are blooming. Now Sunday, another walk. Surprise, surprise. I started off at 4 Barrel in Mission and got myself a hot latte with sweetener, whole milk, always. Then I made my way through the Mission to the Panhandle and then to JFK Drive. I walked the entirety of JFK Drive, which I've not done before, but I just love Golden Gate Park because there's just so much to see and there's so many little detours you can take that make you feel like you're literally somewhere else. So I walked all the way down. I actually got to see the bison. I haven't seen them in a long time. It's kind of a weird experience to see the bison at this park. It's a little sad too, in my opinion, but also marvelous as well. And then I walked also to the windmill, as well as the tulip garden. Well, I mean, there was a majority tulips in this garden from what I could see, and apparently they're blooming. Then I walked all the way down to Ocean Beach. I actually walked, once I got to the Great Highway, I just kept walking until I hit Ortega. And then I was planning on getting a smash burger from Millard's, but I was too late, so I hopped on the Muni, went home, and had some Indian food.